Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Continuing our conversation in our On the House hour, we're spending this hour on your pool. A lot of water back there. We want to make sure that it's staying there. And one of the notes that we had on identifying it, Ian, that I thought was interesting was chemical use. That if you suddenly find yourself having to use more chemicals to keep your water chemistry balanced properly, that could be a sign of a leak, not bad chemical management.
That is correct, yeah. So the majority of our calls actually coming in as of late are pools that are losing salt. A lot of customers in the Valley actually moved to salt systems because of the increase in chlorine tablets. Over the last few years, buckets of tabs have gone up 200 to 300%, right? So customers have moved to a salt system as an alternative method to chlorinating their pool. Well, if you have a leak, you're going to obviously drain out the salt water, and you're going to add tap water through the autofill. Well, the tap does not contain the same salt levels as that's required to run the salt system. So the customer comes to a crossroad very quickly that the unit's not working, the salt system's not working, and they have a leak. So we go in and obviously nail down where that water is going, fixing the issue, putting the salt back in the pool for the client, and then the salt system takes back over.